Hey guys, welcome back to Chirms. Today I'm just going to reuse my old craft project and make this beautiful wall hanging. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. This is an old Ganesh Chaturthi umbrella made last year. So I'm just going to use this umbrella to make the wall hanging. I'm removing the base and the other fittings around it. So now I have this empty umbrella. I'm just trying to bend it to make it flat. To know how I made this base, I'll be giving you the link below in the description box. You can check it out. So to directly make the wall hanging, you don't need to do all these stuff. You can see here how I am trying to make those metal rods flat. So what you can do is, when you check the previous video, I would have bent the metal wires in the form of a V shape to form an umbrella kind of structure. So you can just skip that step and keep your metal wires flat and keep winding the wool around it so that you'll get a flat structure straight away. Do you see the excess wires? We just need to cut them off and bend them. Let me just show you how to do that. So now I am cutting the wire such that there is a little extra part in there. Now I am trying to bend that with the help of pliers. We need to do this to all the ends. This is the wire where the end portion of the yarn is tied. So what we are going to do is cut the yarn and tie two knots tightly to the wire. So once all the ends are bent, it will look like this. Now take matching wool. Take a piece of cardboard of the desired size of your tassels. Now take a wool, keep it flat on the board, tie around it. Now this makes one round. So like this, you have to make 20 rounds around the cardboard piece. So once that is done, just pull it out, take the excess end, loop it around the bunch of wool, pull it tightly and tie a knot. So once you tie a knot, take the other end of the wool and wrap it around the whole bunch, something like this. Cut off the excess wool. So I just did that step for measuring the amount of wool required. Now do the same step again with your finger in between so that it will be easier for you to tie the knot. Now tie a tight knot around the bunch so that none of the wool come out. Now take the other end and cut it off. You can see that there are some long strands and short strands. Just pull the bunch together and cut them off so that you will get even strands. Now your tassel is ready. I have made 4 tassels, 2 in brown, 1 in blue and 1 in green. Now to tie it to the base, what you have to do is loop the thread that is in excess inside the wire we had bent it previously and tie a tight knot around it. Once you have tied all the 3 tassels, it will look something like this. So to attach the 4th tassel, place it on the tassel that is already been tied. Take a piece of wool and tie it around like I'm showing you. Take a piece of wool, tie it in the form of a circle. We are going to use this to hang our piece. So that's it guys. Look how beautiful it turned out. I'm just in love with this piece. Do you guys like it? If yes, do like my video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Stay safe.